Welcome back to ITSC 1316, and in this skill we will see how to install a printer in Linux. This demonstration and the lab you'll complete will not actually involve a real printer, but the steps are exactly the same in how you add it and manage it as if it were. To start off, you're going to open a terminal window and type the command system-config-printer. This will open up a GUI window where we will do most of the work. Now that the window is open, we will hit the plus add key in the top left to start the add printer process. You might get a message about the firewall, and you can hit either option. Once the window is open, you can see that you can add a printer from the serial port number 1, enter URL, or you have some network printer options. We are going to just select serial port number 1 and hit forward. On this screen, you would pick the type of printer you are adding so you can install the correct driver. We will just pick generic and hit forward. Next, we are asked what kind of driver we want to use, and text only will work fine, so just click forward again. Now we see a screen where it wants a couple names for the printer. I will just give the short name as ITSC 1316 and the description of ITSC space 1316, and I will hit apply to create the printer. You'll get a message after a bit asking if you want to print a test page, so just hit cancel. Finally, we will look at the properties page and the print queue page. To get to both, you just right click the printer. First, let's look at the printer queue, which has a place where you would see all the print jobs and buttons at the top that allow you to pause, delete, and other print management features. Once we close out of the queue, we can right-click the printer again and go to Properties. In the Properties, you can change the model, driver, set access control, and even check the ink toner levels of the printer. One other important thing you can do after right-clicking the printer is to set the printer to be the default printer using the Set as Default option. Well, that was a quick lesson covering adding and managing a printer in Linux. Thanks for watching.